megalayapost.news.
Kisamla puli ke Central Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Science Imphal Umiam mentaka singi kila penlong da kajungi ki ke bajur da kebara plakat badbana haplau ke school ba bandawa wengkam no mardori Professor Pranab Dota bala keno le konsulanya ki arngut kisamla puli ki bala ujur syake Internal Complaint Committee ke school ba kani kajungi ki kisamla kalakta kajung turikam ke school ba hadu bahab banwan tuklar da ki magistrate kariboi bat ki bor pulit bantokit bat ban mtha ki bor badai pej ke school ba ban penlong ye kajung tokit ke ba mardor bat ban aye ke kaipot halor kate jingkeno yaute professor kisamla pule kilara be banekhi katba kimpadio pryang ya ka kaipot ke jingto kit ke Internal Complaint Committee ba dealing ba ka jingtu klaru magistrate ba ka committee kala pentikna banto kit mardor bat banle karkum ki kendon persya yaute professor ba kisamla pule ya shipor kinsange no ya ka jingyakhi balada kim hun ya kate kaipot ke Internal Complaint Committee kilara ban beteng ka jingyakhi bat ban ujor sendon da ke ejahar shaki pulen
response then our planning is to call the two complainant individually, separately, and call also respondent separately. After that, we can, according to the post act, we are proceeding step by step. Sir, is it?
Only chairman, only.
That's the only immediate suggestion we could give while the inquiry is still going on.
While the inquiry is still going on, the immediate action that you could have taken was the immediate action that you could have taken was to refrain that person from interacting with the students. But that person can still interact with the committee members.
No, unless we call him for the inquiry. And not in contact with
the Did you call for a hearing of the students who put the complaint?
We thought of sitting today, but then this happened.
Because the transfer order came out on the 8th against the alleged professor, right?
Then immediately I said, okay, you go for IC committee.
Sir, आप लोगों को नहीं पता चला? जो लोग नहीं भी पता है ना, हम लोगों को पता चल गया कि आईसी कमेटी कल आया था, सेनेटर को पूछिए।
Number one or something else has been given before in front of us. CAU is having that. Do you have that paper? Have you read? Where is that? How many days is there? What is written? No, book. CAU is there. You are the external committee. Have you seen that? Yeah.
सुनो जब भागीरथ जी आए थे तब संडे को क्यों खुल गया है जवाब दो बातें होगी जेल होगी
Both the students now who have lodged the complaint, and I have come to know that the complaint lodged. So what have you done? Have you done any inquiry or anything?
Immediately, ma'am. Immediately, sir, I received one letter from the complainant number 1 at 4:30. Immediately in front, I called my committee members to my chamber, and after that, I just discussed with them. And
who are the committee members?
Committee members, please come. The two complainants is guided by that one of the professor, and that professor was primarily that one of the member of our IC. So that we are requesting to our dean that co-opted one member instead of Dr. Mahesh Pathak. Okay, sir. After that, dean is nominated that Dr. Lala Ipra is the co-opted member. But we all 5 are the last 24 say. Sir, we are the internal committee member, and I am the chairman.
Okay, ma'am. I just want to know कि जब May 6 में complaint मिला, then what action did you take?
Action sir, मेरा committee member को मैं inform किया जे ये एक student PhD scholar with the hard document coming to me and saying that these are things happened and sexually harassed by the Dr. Pranab Datta, one of the professor of School of Crop Protection. So after that date 6 already that time is over, sir. Our time is 5 o'clock. So everybody is in a hurry.
What time you received the complaint?
4:30.
4:30.
Sir. Okay. So 5 after 5 everybody is
on May 7 what did you do?
7 sir, we are sitting calling my all members and one confidential meeting with the in presence of the external online mode and we discuss what we can do. Then in the meantime also another mail received from the second complainant. Then I can advise it to that girl, whatever you are saying, just put a mail as a complaint for the presently now, and after that you send your hard copy. So as per my chairman, I advised her this much. After that we receiving 2 complainants. Then
So one thing I would like to add here. So written
act, we are on process.
only agree that you are on process. Don't talk. मैम जब मैंने आपको कहा है कि मैंने रिटर्न कंप्लेंट दिया, आप तो बोल सकते हो नहीं दिया है, मैंने मेल नहीं किया था.
ऐसा नहीं है.
होता
ऐसा
है. होता है मैम.
ऐसा नहीं है. We are
Return तो मेरा
receiving
चाहिए.
to hard copy. कैसे हम बोलेंगे कि कंप्लेंट रिसीव नहीं किया? We are 2 complainant. We are received the mail with the 2 hard copies, sir. So already all are going on proper procedure as per the 2013 Post Act. And online also our external member also always present with us. And my member also to second date 7 we are working, sir, up to 9 o'clock in the college.
And what decision did you make?
Decision, sir, as per the Post Act, 1 counselor is appointed for students, complainants, and immediately
Against the person?
against the person, sir, as per the external ma'am suggested and Post Act rule also, that refrain to that respondent from the surrounding.
All the students of CPGS AS Umiam, we have come together to protest against the sexual harassment of our 2 fellow research scholars by the chairman of School of Crop Protection, Professor Pranam Datta, and the girls have been sexually harassed by the professor. So we have come together to stand and fight against the sexual harassment. And also we are truly disturbed by how the internal complaint committee has been handling the case. So we want justice.
Since he has not been terminated or any legal notice or circular has been made till now, because such kind of faculty or a person shouldn't be allowed in the campus or anywhere in this academic campus. So we want a complete termination for him, and until the further notice, we want him to be stay out of this campus, and that's our major demand. And we need an external complaint committee to look into the matter further, because we have no trust in the internal complaint committee. That's what we are doing.
The victims have reported this has happened since the previous past few months. He has started this since last few months.
We will put further complaints to the higher and higher authorities, and we won't stop until and unless he got terminated from this university.
Meghalaya Post.News.